If you have any small bumps protruding from your walls, they're likely what contractors call nail pops. As new homes settle and drywall shrinks, sometimes the nails or screws affixing the drywall to the studs start to protrude. To repair a nail pop, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, nail punch, hammer, quick-dry spackling compound, putty knife, sanding block, and painting supplies. You first need to determine if the protrusion is caused by a nail or a screw. To do this, take a Phillips head screwdriver and press it into the center of the pop. If it's a screw, the screwdriver will set and find its place in the head of the screw. If it's a nail, it will likely just slide around. If the pop is caused by a screw, simply take the screwdriver and turn the screw until it is slightly recessed into the wall. If the pop is caused by a nail, take your nail punch and hammer and tap the nail head until it is slightly recessed into the wall. Next, with a putty knife, apply a layer of quick-dry spackling compound to cover the hole. Allow it to dry and sand the surface. Repeat with another coat if necessary. Once it is completely cured and sanded, apply fresh paint. If the nail pop is in the ceiling, you have to set the existing nail and then drive in a second nail within 1 inch of the old one, or the nail pop could reoccur. If you have any questions about this process, call SWF Home Inspections at 941-493-4334 or 239-330-9910.